Arnis Strikes.
So first thing that we have to do is the pagpupugay. We will have to put the arnis on our left side and then pugay. Okay, let's do it again. Pugay. And again, pugay.
Proper holding of arnis. One fist from the bottom, just like what it shows in the screen, just like that. Or you can hold it at the very end, like that. So for our first basic strike, first do the doble abierta position and bend your knees. Diagonal strike. When we strike, we're gonna shift our body to the left. Upward strike, diagonal to the chin. Just like that. Basic strike 1 and 2. And the next is the strike with single stick. Okay, just like that. Downward diagonal strike and go all the way to the other side. Just like how it shows in the video. Just like that. It is called cerrada position. And lastly, pagpupugay with single stick. Pugay. Thank you so much.